Welcome to this quick guide of the Chauvet Colordash Par Quad 7 with James from BH Sounds and Lighting. The Chauvet Colordash Par Quad 7 is a bright and vibrant mains-powered LED par that's suitable for band lighting, theatre productions and venue uplighting. The fixture has Powercon in and out connections so you can connect multiple lights together. There is a point on the back of the fixture for safety bomb connections if you're rigging above head height. It also features 3-pin and 5-pin DMX connections. There is a digital display with menu buttons to navigate through the settings. It features auto colour changing modes, which will cycle through the colours, static colour options so you can set a colour, master and slave mode, and DMX Addressing to link with a controller. Along with the DMX Addressing, you can also set the channel mode of the fixture. There are additional settings for adjusting the dimming mode of the LEDs and also the white balance. Thanks for watching this quick guide. Please like the video if it has helped, comment below if we can help with anything else, and check out our channel and subscribe for more of these videos. Thank you.